Top 12 Principles of Animation. Squash and stretch gives animation an elastic life, like quality. Here's an example. Anticipation is preparation for the main action. Here's an example. Staging builds from problem to the beginning of a solution in a visual telling. Here's an example.
Thanks, Obama.
Straight ahead action and pose to pose. Straight ahead action is where you draw each frame of an action one after another as you go along. Pose to pose gives you more control over the action. You can see early on where your character is going to be at the beginning and end. Here's an example.
Turned himself into a pickle.
Follow through and overlapping action. When a moving object comes to a stop, some parts might continue to move because of momentum. Here's an example. Ease in, ease out. The object takes a little while to accelerate and reach a steady speed. Here's an example. Arcs are a curved trajectory that adds the illusion of life to an animation. And without them, your animation would be stiff and mechanical. If you don't lose them, you're just so dumb. Here's an example.
Spaghetti!
A secondary action is an action that supports the main action to add more dimension to the character animation. Here's an example. Timing is about where on a timeline you put each keyframe of an action. Here's an example. Exaggeration presents a character's features and actions in an extreme form for comedic or dramatic effect. Here's an example.
I can't freestyle rap.
Solid drawing is making sure the animated forms feel like they're in a three-dimensional space. Here's an example. Appeal means that animated characters should be pleasing to look at and have aspects that people can point out about them. Thanks for watching my fever dream of a video project.